Tempo.
Hey, Zulu man. Showmax or Netflix?
Well, Showmax.
Love or money?
Love.
Success or happiness?
Happiness.
Okay, shame, nice. Hey, got that girl in a manga. Phone calls or text messages? What do you prefer?
Phone calls.
I love text messages. What is your favorite meal?
Dumplings and beans. Yeah. Yes.
What was the lie? What is the last lie you told? I'm not going to complain.
Ooh, konje mav. Okay, is actually besingavumelani nge-rate about a gig and ngathi ngalolu suku ngeke ngikwazi ukuyenza because khona enye igig enginayo.
Yeah. What do you prefer, TV or theater?
Oh my god. I'm a theater man.
But so you love theater.
Yeah.
So you prefer theater.
Yeah, I've got my reasons. Yeah.
Okay.
Theater.
I don't want to know your reason. You chose theater.
Yeah.
What has been your favorite productions you've worked on? You've been production or turned out there forever. Oh, also was seven like you know. We pips in Jaboli production there.
Ooh.
Forever you're
2016, we did a theater production called Sleepwalking Land.
Sleepwalking Land.
Which originates from the Mozambique. It's a story from the Mozambique. So there was a Mozambican actor that came down, and it was me and it was Nkanyiso. And then we had chorus of young actors, about 20. I think about it every day. I can't forget that.
That's the production.
Yeah, because I mean, with the Grahamstown vibe, it's theaters in us, but with that, it was outside. It was done in a bent bus. Yeah.